In this video, I want to play for you a few notes on this brand new cello da Spalla, also known as Violoncello da Spalla or viola da Spalla. This instrument was commonly known as simply violoncello during the baroque period. And I hope you really enjoy this deep, warm, crisp, present sounds. And I would like to help you to imagine what it feels like playing this instrument, just in case you never played viola da Spalla or violoncello da Spalla in your life. When you play this instrument, and this instrument is so large, it vibrates so strongly against your heart, against your chest bone, and against your chin, that you feel like your entire body vibrates, not just the instrument, not just the strings. You feel like your entire body turns into music, and I hope we really enjoy. So I would really appreciate your comments, your questions below. If you felt a little bit inspired by this, your honest opinion would be massively appreciated, because your honest opinion would help other viewers of this video also to make the best decision for themselves, whether they want or they do not want to board on this exciting journey of discovering a notion of untouched repertoire and expanding their career opportunities in a number of days, a couple of weeks, rather than struggle for decades. So let me play for you, and I hope you enjoy. enjoyed, if you did, do subscribe to my channel and click the bell button so that you do not miss future content. I'm Dimitri. I'm the award-winning author of the published book on fine violin making with the foreword by New York Times bestselling author, and the author of the upcoming book on cello da Spalla. And in the past 30 plus years, I've been specializing in crafting instruments of the violin family for world-class musicians, also cellos da Spallas, and also helping both musicians and other instrument makers, violin makers, guitar makers, and luthiers to achieve more success in their personal and professional lives. And I look forward in chatting to you personally about your musicianship, your musical goals, and what would you like to achieve as a violinist or violist in the next few months or